Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Before we start our meeting, let's open our meeting with Ummul Kitab, Suratul Al-Fatihah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Alright, good to see that everyone is already here. Let's start our meeting now. Okay, first of all, I would like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Haikal, Mr. Adha, Mr. Anik, and Mr. Alif, and also Mr. Amin. Right. Uh, Actually, there should be another member, is Mr. Afi, but he has an urgent meeting to attend in Sarawak. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Najib Aizuddin bin Shamsuddin, and I am Mr. Chairman for this our meeting. Alright, now please refer to our meeting agenda. Okay, today we will discuss further about our agendas. Okay, let's start the meeting by going through the minutes of the previous meeting, which was held on PICC last month, right? All right. Um, First of all, is any of you want to make any amendments?
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman. I noticed and we actually allocate 300,000 ringgit for this project, but it is written 200,000 ringgit. There, yes or no? Yes.
All right. Next, can someone propose the minutes to be accepted?
Mr. Chairman, I approve. No. I propose this meeting.
Okay. And next, can someone else second the motion?
Yes. I'm second the proposal.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Now, I confirm the minutes of the previous meeting with some amendments. All right. Okay. Now, let us now move on to our first meeting agenda. Okay. I would like to hear a suggestion from any of you about our first agenda.
Okay. For the first agenda, to local toilet, I propose that we collaborate with this Urin company because their service is efficient, fast, and highly responsive. Based on our review, they are able to manage tasks well and ensure that the work is completed within the specified time frame. In addition, this service have received very positive feedback from previous clients, which reflects their reliability and work quality. With the strong track record, there is a high possibility that they can complete the restroom within a period of 5 to 6 days. By choosing this company, we can minimize delays, maintain quality standards, and ensure the project is completed smoothly and on time.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman. May I interrupt?
Okay, let's continue.
I strongly agree with this proposal because working with an experienced company can reduce the risk of workmanship error and the need for reward, which could delay the project. After that, the company has a well-organized working system which have saved time and reduced the need for close supervision from our side. Finally, working with a company uh, that has a good reputation can help management feel more confident that the project will run smoothly and be successful.
Alright, thank you both of you, Mr. Haikal and Mr. Adha. Now, I would like to ask Mr. Anik, how about you?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. For me, I agree with Mr. Haikal. I think maybe from a long-term cost perspective, high quality service and good workmanship can help prevent recurring issues, thereby reducing future maintenance expenses. That's all.
Okay, next. How about you, Mr. Alif and also Mr. Ameh?
Right, thank you, Mr. Chairman. On the same side, I also agree choosing that company as our project to bid project because the company's responsive attitudes facilitate smooth two-way communication. And then especially if there are change or urgent requirements during the project execution. That's all from me. How about you, Mr. Ameh?
Alright, thank you, Mr. Alif and Mr. Chairman. Actually, I also agree because the short completion period will minimize disruption to users and ensure that the restroom facilities can be reopened and used as soon as possible. That's all.
Alright, thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Now let us continue with our second agenda.
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman. For our second agenda, according to our second agenda, which is focused on hygiene kit, right? To me, I think the most suitable company to put and to us to collaborate with us is hygiene product Sendirian Berhad. Why I choose this company? Because this company is one of the most prominent and well established, especially in Malaysia. And in addition, this company provides top quality toilet service, which is as we know there are so many top quality toilets in Malaysia, right? And therefore, they also recently gained or received the highest rating in social media. Yes, and so in the end, I highly recommend this company as a strategic partner to collect with us for our project. Right. That's all from me.
No, Mr. Alif, I disagree very much with the suggestion for choosing hygiene care product Sendirian Berhad for our partnership with this project. This is because in the previous project, I already collaborated with this company and found that the costs set by the company were too high and exceeded our company desired budget. So actually, I strongly disagree for Mr. Alif's suggestion for choosing hygiene care product Sdn Berhad for our partnership with this project.
Okay, thank you both of you, Mr. Alif and also Mr. Ameh. Okay, right. Right now, any of you have another suggestion for our second agenda?
Sorry, Mr. Chairman. I have a suggestion. For me, I propose Urban Company as the company for us to collaborate with on this project. This is because the company is one of the leading companies in Malaysia. In addition, it offers reasonable pricing without compromising quality and can help manage the program's budget more efficiently. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes, Mr. Ani. I absolutely agree with your suggestion for choosing urban company for our partnership with this project. This is because to build well-established company throughout Malaysia, this company also offers reasonable pricing, and this is highly suitable and aligns with our company's budgets.
Alright, thank you both of you, Mr. Ani and Mr. Amir. Okay, Mr. Adha, how about you?
For me, I also agree. We provide a range of hygiene products such as soap, sanitizer, tissue, cleaning liquid, and accessories that can be combined into a hygiene kit. That's for me.
Okay, can I know what is your side, Mr. Haikal?
I agree with Mr. Adha because urban company is effective in comprehensive hygiene solution. Urban company is not just a product supplier. We are a trusted partner in providing comprehensive hygiene solution for various industry. Our perspective covers a wide range of sanitation, cleaning, and professional washroom needs, ensuring high standard of cleanliness and safety. We offer careful select hygiene products that are effective, reliable, and compliant with industry standard. From daily cleaning solution to complete washroom systems. Our service are designed to support healthier and more comfortable environments. At Urban Company, we believe that cleanliness is essential to productive well-being and professionalism. That is why we focus on delivering integrated hygiene solution that meet the specific needs of our clients, helping them maintain a clean, safe, and hygienic space at all times. That's all for.
Okay, also thank you to both of you, Mr. Adha and Mr. Haikal. Alright, thank you guys for your all suggestion. Inshallah, I will consider that all suggestion from you guys. Okay, um, now we have come to the end of our meeting. Alright, before I close this meeting, let us recap our meeting outcome today. Alright, okay. So, as we discussed the proposed agenda in the meeting a moment ago, okay, we all have agreed to choose which of these two companies, that Orange companies and Urban companies. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, right. Uh, as everyone know, these two companies we chose because want to collaborate with our project. Okay, okay, and the last, congrats and thank you all of you. Now, we will close our meeting with Tasbih Kafarah and Surah Al-As. Okay, last, we will meet again next time maybe to complete our project, inshallah. Okay, okay, thank you guys.